In this video, I am going to show you 8 proven ways to make money online. Proven ways basically means other people are already using these ways to make money for themselves, and you can do it too. And don't miss any crucial information that I am going to provide you in this video. So watch this video till the end. Now without doing any delay, let's get started. Before talking about the first method, I would like to suggest you to watch second, third and fourth ways to make money online, because these are going to be more interesting. Okay, so now for first method we are going to see this Shutterstock. So basically what Shutterstock is, people upload photos, videos at Shutterstock. Basically they can sell those things. Okay, so it is extremely easy to make money on Shutterstock if you can create content like photo, video. Okay, and you can simply submit that to Shutterstock and add a description and keyword, and you can start to get paid once your image and videos get sold by Shutterstock. In second way, we have Fiverr. Here you can sell your services. You can literally sell any services that are inside this. If you know to design logo, or if you can learn to design logo, and then you can come to Fiverr and sell logo designing services. Similarly, if you have skills on social media marketing, you can sell. Similarly, there are lots of other things like writing, blog writing, website development, whatever thing you can learn. Okay, either by using YouTube or any paid course or free course, and then you can start to provide service in Fiverr and start to make money. In third way, we have Udemy. You can create some course and sell it for low price in Udemy, and Udemy will sell it for you to various people worldwide. In case if you are not willing, or if you can't create course by yourself, this kind of course, then what you can do is you can use Fiverr to hire people who can create a course for you, and then get the copyright. Tell the creator of the course that I will be getting the full copyright, and then post it on Udemy and start to make money online. More interesting ways are coming, but in fourth we have YouTube. You can literally create any YouTube videos that you think people would love to watch, and you would love to create, and start a YouTube channel and start to make money with YouTube. But in case if you cannot create videos for YouTube by yourself and you have got some money, you can again use Fiverr to hire people to create YouTube videos for you, and then start to upload those videos and get the monetization requirement. Okay, fulfill the monetization requirement, and then you will be able to earn money with YouTube. Our fifth ways is going to be Amazon Kindle. So in Amazon Kindle, what you can do is you can sell ebooks. Okay, now if you can write book on certain topic, then that's fine, you can write it and start to sell with Amazon Kindle. But in case if you don't want to write by yourself, then what you can do is you can hire someone in Fiverr to write book for reselling. Okay, write book for reselling for you, and then upload those books and start to make money with Amazon Kindle. Our sixth way would be ClickBank. So what ClickBank actually is, like, you are going to sell other people's product and get 75 to 85% commission. Like this kind of commission you can earn with ClickBank, and there is a process you can follow to make money with ClickBank. And for that, what you can do is in Udemy you can search for my this course and watch this course where I have taught you step by step how you can promote ClickBank product to get sales, and I have also shown you live campaign from where I have got some sales in ClickBank. In seventh way, we have Wealthy Affiliate. Now basically what Wealthy Affiliate does is it will teach you to build your own website, okay, to promote other people's product from affiliate products. Okay, other people's affiliate product, like from Amazon, from ClickBank, or from any other network like Max Bounty. They will teach you each and everything in a step-by-step process, and you can literally sign up for their free trial, and you don't even need to submit your credit card in this platform, and within a day or two you will be able to create your own website in an easy way. And you need to put the content consistently on your website. But if you are uninterested to write by yourself, and if you have some money to spend, and again you can hire someone on Fiverr to write blog post articles for you for extremely cheap price, and then start to post that in your website and start to make money with different products and Google AdSense revenue. they'll cover each and everything. You can go with them too. Last but not the least, we have Flippa. Here you can buy website blogs, okay, which is already making money for a good amount of price. You can buy those and start to make monthly income without even doing anything in the start. Okay, however, you need to maintain those site, and if you are learning from wealthy affiliate to create your own website, later you can sell that in Flippa also. Okay, or what you can do is you can buy a website on Flippa, and again after some time you can sell it on Flippa for even a more price. In that way you can make good amount of income or make money online. That's it guys, don't forget to smash that like button, and if you have any question, ask me in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Take care, bye bye.